comes to keeping your edge sharp, some people have the toughest time getting the proper angle with a traditional bench stone. To alleviate this problem, the folks over at Lansky Sharpeners have created the Controlled-Angle Sharpening System. Utilizing a blade clamp and a guide, as well as a variety of different grit sharpening stones, called hones, the Controlled-Angle Sharpening System provides the correct angle each and every time. The Controlled-Angle Sharpening System comes in both the Deluxe Sharpening System as well as Deluxe Diamond for a faster edge. By using the progressively finer grit hones, you can repair a blade that has nicks or one that has been improperly sharpened, restoring the proper angle, then finally polish it to a razor edge. The extruded aluminum clamp firmly holds the knife blade in place, and the two hand tightening screws make it so no tools are needed. Guide holes on both the top and bottom allow easy selection of the proper angle for your desired knife. Simply secure the knife in the clamp. Select the desired grit hone, attach the rod, slide the rod through the desired angle hole, and slide it against the edge of the knife. The hone does all of the work for you. The Deluxe Controlled Angle Sharpening System comes with 5 color-coded sharpening hones from an extra coarse to ultra fine and provides a wide range of sharpening options. The Deluxe Diamond Sharpening System gives you 4 sharpeners from extra coarse to fine. Each comes with a bottle of Nathan's Honing Oil, a specially formulated lubricant for use with Lansky Sharpeners. Here's a pro tip: never use any kind of lubricant with diamond hones. Wash them with just soap and water. 2 additional accessories are available to make using your Controlled Angle Sharpening System even more convenient. The universal mount, which lets you set your sharpening system clamp on top of your workbench or other flat surface, and the Super C-clamp mount, which will let you securely clamp the sharpener to a table or bench. I've used Lansky Sharpeners for more than a decade, and people often wonder how I get my knives so sharp after feeling the blade. Now my secret is known. The Controlled Angle Sharpening System from Lansky will keep every knife in your collection razor sharp with a polished edge. Also, check out the 4-rod turnbox sharpening system for your kitchen knives and longer blades. It features 2 stone rods that can be set into different holes for either a 20 or 25 degree angle, as well as a pair of ceramic rods to polish the edge. The rods store right inside the box.